Hello, Greystone Manor family. I'm here to provide a casual tutorial on creating an extra give fundraising page. This year's a little bit different than in years past, so I have the opportunity today to show you a really exciting change in particular. So let's start by finding Greystone Manor's extra give page, and that's how we're going to create our own page. Here I'm at the search button at the top right, and all I have to type in is Greystone here. You'll see why in a minute. I hit enter. There's only one result for Greystone. So here's our organization's giving page. Beautiful. We have all kinds of information on here. Feel free to take a look and read it. So now there are two places that we can start when creating a giving page. First, right away, we scroll down a little bit. We see next to this donate button, which we all hope you'll be hitting on the day of. Right next to that, we have the fundraise button. You can create a page by clicking that. First thing you would have to do, however, is log in or sign up. You can log in with your or create an account with your email, or you can use Google. I'll get back to that. Before we do anything else, let's scroll down and see our exciting change I just talked about. This year we have something new, really cool. We have featured campaigns. These are just a fun way for us to compete with each other in a fun little way. We have Team Gem here, and we have Team Oreo. So let's have a friendly competition. Which horse can raise the most money? Which horse can secure the most unique donors? Well, I'm not sure. We're gonna find out, but let's go back to like how to create a page. I'm gonna click on Team Oreo, and this is the second way we can create a fundraising page. Here we have Team Oreo. Right now, there's no dollars raised because we're not having the extra give yet. But once the extra give hits, this page will absolutely light up with giving activity. We can see here that Steph has already created her own fundraising page. I can click on that, and we can see her page here. She is working with me on creating a fun little profile for herself, but I just wanted to show you what that looks like. Back to Team Oreo. So the second way to create a fundraising page is to join this team, and I'll get a little message. We're creating a fundraiser. It's simple, really easy to do. And we can either, again, log in or sign up. I can use my Google account or I can use my email. Well, we're going to skip ahead a second. I already have a login and I already have a login. Actually, I have two. Giving at Greystone Manor. And my password is saved, so I can just log in. Here I get, I'm signed up for two-factor authentication. So I got a text to my phone saying I need a code. That's just like a little security feature. Don't let it um, scare you. So there you go. I entered my two-factor um, authentication and it sent me back to the home page. So I want to go back the way I came. Greystone. In the search, here's my organization. Actually, I am an admin, so I get some extra pages. I'm going to get out of that and go out of edit mode. And this is, again, what you're seeing. Scrolling down, I want to look at Team Oreo, and here he is. Again, I'm in edit mode. I don't want that. I have that because I'm an admin for the Facebook page. I'm going to click join this team. Again, I get that get started. And I'm going to create a new fundraiser and launch the page manager. So here I am. This is what we see. Again, we have options. You'll have that edit mode button there, and you'll want to keep that. To build our fundraiser page, we have a few requirements. That is one, fill out your title. Two, upload an image or video. And three, compose a description. So title can be anything simple, Bill's Greystone Manor Therapeutic Writing Center page. And I click save. And now if we go back up to our requirements, we see that that one's gone. I have to create a summary here. Join me. This can be 100 characters, so I suggest writing a sentence here, but for the time being, I think I spelled join wrong. You can see when I rush, I am not a good typer. Join me, save. And one other thing I need to do is to create a description that's down here. Oh, excuse me. I'm just going to write TBD. We would write something a little more fancy there. But I just want to create a situation where the requirements are taken care of. So if I click save, then we'll see on requirements, I only have one requirement left. And that is to create a image. So if I click here for featured media, I have a lot of options for an image for my campaign. I can use my camera here on my laptop. I can put in a direct link. I can make a video. That's super cool. Please take that opportunity if you can. Google Drive, Photos, Dropbox, Flickr, and OneDrive, or you can also choose a local file. And here I have a picture of Gem right in my um, folder. So I found that this is a little wonky with the photo. It doesn't give you a great amount of space to work with. So we'll just stop there. Done. That becomes my picture. And you'll see that uh, my box saying what I still need to do is gone. I now have the ability to click publish. A couple of more things. So that I've fulfilled all the requirements. I can also set a goal. I don't have to, but I can set a goal for $1,000. I can set a goal for 25 donors. Let's do that. We love, while I'm here and I have your ear, we love with the extra give donors. The more, the merrier. A $10 donation last year actually was worth $17 at the extra give because the stretch pool goes by the number of unique donors that we have. A $25 donation was worth $32. So whether it's $1,000 or 10, we want to encourage as many people as possible to donate. Last things we can do here is we can create a duration. Really, that's just kind of gimme, considering that the extra give is on one day. So, but I'll put it there, and it gives me a little countdown clock. That is pretty much it. One last fun thing during the day of the extra give, we have the opportunity to post updates, and you can just click post update, and we can say it's noon and 15 people have given your page, but you want 20. I have 15 donors. Can I get 20? Everyone who donates to your page will get this email. And you can even have a little fun here, and you can have fun on the story side as well. Insert an image. If I click here, well, there's the picture of Gem again. I can stick that right in my update. Isn't that fun? So I think that about covers it for creating a fundraising page for the extra give. Please, please, please join me in supporting Greystone Manor that day. Have a little fun with it. Join either Gem or Oreo's fundraising page and have a great time with it. Thanks so much for taking part and being a part of of the Extra Give, and thank you so much for all you do for Greystone Manor.